Got ourselves a U3 Plus with movable fans. I figured I need something that'll pinpoint the fans on GPU and CPU and all that other stuff. Hopefully get a good setup here. Let's unbox it. It's quite simple. Set that there. Pretty simple box. You know, not too. Feels very light, very light. Feels like it's a good material, but not super strong. You can definitely bend it, mod it, whatever. It's nice, you know, for the money. I think I paid like $38 for it. It's not bad. Let's see what's in here. So you got manual, such. You got all 3 of your fans here. Another silica package. Here's the band if you want to use this as a case. You know, 80mm fans, I forget what the specs are, but nothing too crazy. And obviously we got a little rheostat that adds or subtracts resistance to bump the fans up or down. But, yep. This is the Notepal U3 Plus from Coolermaster. Get some other videos out, hopefully.